Ready to learn how to write a book and make money online? Well, sis, grab your pen and paper because in this video, I'm going to teach you the exact steps I used for how I wrote my own book and started making money online as a faith-based author. Sister in Christ, welcome to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel, a resource for faith-based authors to learn how to write a book and make money online with passive income streams as a Christian author. Subscribe now to get weekly videos to help you get started. Let's dive into the video. So step number one for how to write a book and make money online is to choose your book niche. Choose your book niche. Niche refers to the problem that you solve with your book business. So people are going to come to you to purchase your books when you establish yourself as an expert who can solve a specific problem. That is your book niche. The problem that you solve is your book niche. The first step in having a successful faith-based author business online is to get clear about your niche so that you can stick to it. Step number two for how to write a book and make money online. Once you know your book niche, now you need to build your audience of book readers. Build your audience of book readers. One of the biggest mistakes my fellow faith-based authors make is they focus on writing the book first, but they ain't got nobody to sell it to. So Stephen King, Nora Roberts, all of these authors are very, very popular because they have an established following. So you want to get your following in place first. Who are the people that you're writing these books for? Who are the people who have the problem that you solve? Build an audience of the people who have that problem. And if you need help doing this, get into Godlywood Girl University TV, watch my School of Business. I show you how to do it step by step. Step number three for how to write a book and make money online. Now that you have your audience, ask them what book they want first. Ask them what book they want first. So the way I like to do this is I like to write down a list of topics that I'm an expert at with solving that problem. And I do a little market research to see what people are searching for. I list all those topics, and then I send an email out to my list and say, hey, what do you want from me next? Let your email list vote. Let your audience vote for the book that they want next. And that way, you are involving your book readers with this process of creating your book. Step number four for how to write a book and make money online. Now that you know what book your audience wants, write the book. Write the book. If you don't know how to write and self-publish a book, get into Godlywood Girl University TV. It's very, very simple to do. Watch my Write Your Book workshop. I literally take you through it step by step. You can write and self-publish in less than 7 days using my system. And finally, step number five for how to write a book and make money online. Now that your book is done, go ahead and put it into a sales funnel and promote your sales funnel to your list. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's just an automated way to make more money with your book. So you don't want to just sell your book, sis. You want to have a course version of your book or a coaching version of your book or a workbook version of your book. You want to be able to offer people to purchase multiple versions of your book so that you can make more money to do more ministry. Because here's what I know about you as a faith-based author. If you are wanting to build this faith-based business online, you are wanting to use that money for God's purpose. We are here to be the Lord's hands and feet in our communities. So the more money you make, the more mission you can do. Build a sales funnel to do that. And again, I show you how to build a sales funnel step by step in Godlywood Girl University TV. Godlywood Girl University TV is my online monthly membership program where I teach women of Christ how to start a faith-based business online using the power of sales funnels. In Godlywood Girl University TV, you're going to grab the School of Business where I teach you how to build your sales funnel. You're going to get access to the Product Creation Toolkit where I show you how to create your own products like books, like workbooks, like coloring books, like children's books. Girl, you're going to learn about ebooks, courses, coaching programs, VIP intensives, even a t-shirt business, right? Make sure you grab the Faith-Based Author t-shirt if you want it at godlywoodgirl.com. Godlywood Girl University TV has over 700 video resources to help you build your faith-based business online. So to get started, go to purposelegend.com/schoolofbusiness and use discount code YouTube at checkout to get 50% off your first month on the platform. Now there's only 100 coupon codes available, so don't wait. Use that coupon code, get 50% off your first month. Go to purposelegend.com/schoolofbusiness. Now, if you're not ready to build your business online, you just want to keep doing more research about writing your book, make sure you grab my free How to Write a Book checklist by going to the link in the description box below. You're going to get the entire checklist, download it, fill it out. It's going to help you be able to learn the process and just start brainstorming a little bit. So go to the link in the description box below and make sure you subscribe to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel. My goal is to create videos that help you step into your God-given purpose as a faith-based author. So hit that subscription button, turn on post notifications, and comment down below. Let me know your number one question about starting your own business online as a faith-based author. I cannot wait to chat with you. God bless you, and God willing, I'll see you in the next video.